title called Dramatic Techniques. And research on pictures generally. So why picture, particularly dramatic techniques about picture, I find some similarities in folk theatres and modern theatre generally. Dialogues are there, but in a modern theatre, dialogues are written. Okay, script is provided to the directors, but in the folk artists, there is no written script. Spontaneous dialogues are there, and according to the situation, actor enact according to the situation. The themes which are there of this open theatre, it is not decided already. When the artists go to the villages, I mean generally in Mundarbad district, there is a one festival, fair festival, village Diwali, they call it village Diwali. And this dramatic art, Songadia dance party, it is called Songadia dance party, and 12 to 15 artists are there. They are not professionally trained. They are all small, I mean, farmers or laborers. They are actually busy in their own livelihood. But when they got a chance, they used to act at the stage. And sir, one thing is very surprisable. There is complete connection between actors on the stage and spectators. I mean, there is a complete link. It is not like television and spectators. It is a one-way communication, but here there is a two-way communication, a live performance. These people are really social reformers because they they present their inaction not just as a source of entertainment, but the subject used by those people are like malnutrition, superstition, environmental problems, migration of tribal people from Gandhubad district to Inspire for jobs. And according to the village, and the villagers used to decide that which type of topic we should give them for election. For example, young boys and girls from the village, if they are not, what the word I may use, if they are not that much obedience to their parents, so the villager used to tell them that you should take such a subject by which there should be the mind of young one should be reformed. Okay. Another thing, when I was the other day surfing the net, I come across the same type of dramatic artist there in Bihar, Notanki, and Jatra in West Bengal. These these dramatic art are, of course, it is neglected because actors, Bollywood, Hollywood, Marathi, they got huge amount of money so far as the election is concerned. Even folk art in Maharashtra, Tamasha, the people engage in Tamasha, they get pension for their after their retirement. These poor people, government has itself neglected them. They are not noticed. I just want that it is a dramatic art. We people respect the art. Why should we neglect them? I want that this art should come into the focus. The people, particularly from tribal welfare department, should do something by which it is promoted. There should be encouragement to those people. Uh, in universities, particularly the drama section, the syllabus should be there on this local. Sir, these people present local color, okay, and we people are studying Shakespeare, and if we are not studying this type of art which is close to our soil root, it is from the root, it's a root in action. And sir, even though we people are teacher of English language, but we like that language in which we dream. So the language plays most important role in this particular act. uh, I was trying to compare Harold Finter with those people. I come to know one thing. Finter is known for his comedy of menace. Right? Pauses are there, foreshadowing technique is there, three dots are there. All dramatic techniques are already there in their dramatic art, but it is not highlighted. Three dots. Generally, it is a literary technique, but when they take a pause, sir, the pause taken by these people, it will not bring something disaster. Generally, we call their pause brings happiness on the faces of the spectator. This is what the difference. One thing is very interesting. No female is there on a stage. Male are enacting the role of female. No vulgarity is there. And the one song is there. Generally, people call it's a song, not a song, a song. It's a sort of song, Rodali, which is mostly liked by all, right from young people to old people. And Rodali is nothing that we people consider it something vulgar. No, in a Rodali, a social message generally communicated through it. Uh, Another thing I like to tell you, actually, I meet these people, two artists from Nawapur city. They are both enacting the role, female role, and I interviewed them. I was there at the it's a village near to the Taluda where Diwali festival was there. I meet, and so these people are so simple. They don't have so attitude generally we see to the actors because these people are actually son of the soil and it is their right. Their act should be known to the all. For the books, as you know that we people generally
It's some written material is there.
yeah, yes. Is it how I live it is written by the original Adivashi writers
In their own language.
in Marathi.
Excuse me, may I add something? Because I belong to Kavya.
Why not?
Actually, we were too enjoying this Rodali and all this and that. But actually, those the playing this character, okay, already they are the male character, but they guise themselves as a female, and means all the acting they do like the female.
Even in day-to-day life, sir, they behave like a girl. They behave like a girl in day-to-day. Yeah,
Yeah.
And sir, costume. It is not taken from the big cities. It is there available at the village. No, I mean no electricity, small stage. Tractor trolley is there stage.
Open theatre.
Yeah, it is open theater.
It is
Open to
like
all.
the Shakespeare's Globe Theatre.
You said that you wish to compare the government of Adivasi.
Actually, I am studying Harold Pinter, so the thought came to my mind that why should not I compare?
How can you read between them?
How can I read?
When you say they are using
Pauses. Yeah,
how can you read between them? You might have studied a decade.
I have studied, but actually, sir, whatever. I am just adding, sir.
In deconstruction, there are pauses,
yeah.
commas, half commas, colons, semicolons.
Yeah.
There is a space between one word.
One word.
This space is between there is a space between this line and this line. So how can we read between this? How can we get the what I am asking?
Yeah. No. To get the
Because,
meaning, sir.
I think that it is a humor
Yeah, it is human.
when they pause.
When we try to get the meaning between the line, we must aware the archetype nature of those things. Then perhaps we will get the meaning between the line. I mean, we should know the root level of these people and the compared writer, painter, and all this, for example. So this is
You have
what,
taken this for MRP.
and yeah, for my MRP,
CRMS.
no, Mr. Dan Brown is there, my writer, American fiction. Two of my students presented the poster on that. Da Vinci Code, Angels and Demons. His novels I have taken for my research project. Science and Religion.
I just asked him how he has chosen science and religion.
Actually, these guys belong to the second year BA, and sir, it is really difficult for them. This man knows it is really difficult for them even to speak Marathi language. And I was so fortunate to listen them when they are speaking English, because sir, these people come from the extremely tribal areas.
Actually, what's happened, sir? My spoken language, so what's called Dori. Actually, sometimes when we study the structure of the language, say we can say a sentence, even sometimes whatever the prevalent grammar we can apply, sometimes it is not applicable to the spoken language. But actually, when I observe many mainstream literature regarding the maybe it is English, Hindi, Marathi, or then we can see in a particular Irani. Okay, it is totally different from this culture, and even the tone of the language or word, okay, it is totally different from the Hindi, English, Marathi, Irani, whatever.
And at least such festivals are providing them atmosphere.
But we say that when we talk of mainstream,
Yeah.
it remains
Backstage, yes, it is remain backstage. It is not backward. It is not a backward.
not that.
Yeah.
But in a sentence, I do remember rejection of rejection.
Yeah, that is what one of my girlfriend's fourth word. It's a fourth word literature. It is rejected, yeah. And sir, it is our duty to bring these things at the focus because we people are drama teacher. We teach languages and art to the students, and their literature is rejected. Then what is the use of our knowledge and degrees which we are getting right now?
Ganesh Devi.
Ganesh Devi, no, not yet.
Work on spoken language, especially
I just,
languages.
I like to study drama.
That will help.
Okay.